Hi, this is Shauna Manning, and I am your dedicated bridal beauty buddy. I am so excited to introduce you to myself and to my service of makeup artistry. I have a team of amazing makeup artists who have over 15 years of experience each, and we have been doing makeup with the best lines in the industry. We don't just stick with one line of products, we use what works for you. In addition to doing bridal trials and the day of weddings, special events, all kinds of things, all kinds of any type of event that you have a need of a makeup artist, we also do what's called the Bridal Beaut Camp. A Beaut Camp is simply an event where we will have all of our makeup artists there. They will be giving their top strategies and tips. They will teach you how to take care of your skin. They will teach you how to pick the right foundation colors. We do custom blending for your foundations. We do custom blending for your powders. We even create eyeshadows, blushes, and lip colors, all custom made. So the Bridal Beaut Camp, once again, you can come to our studios and salons all around Richmond, or we can actually come to you. We typically charge $300 if we come to you, but right now we are doing it absolutely free, just so we can get our name out there, and also because we know that we are up against a lot of weddings this year, and we really want to get you in our chair so that you can see our fabulous work, and so that you will consider booking with us for your actual wedding day. So again, my name is Shauna Manning. I'm your dedicated bridal beauty buddy. I'm very excited about what we have to offer you, and I can't wait for you to book with us today. Once again, the bridal trial is absolutely free. The value of that is $75 right now. Once again, free for the first 25 brides who book with us every single month. Our bridal beaut camps are free when you come to the salons, and they're free right now if we come to you. However, the price will be going up very soon, back to $300. So book with us today. Please go to our website at truebeautyrva.com if you want more information or to contact us or book a trial. And if you are interested in the Beaut Camp, please give us the names and phone numbers of all of your guests so that we will call them, and we have to profile each person before we come. I'm so excited to share your big day with you, and I look forward to getting you in my chair and building a great lasting relationship with you so that we can make every day your big day. Take care.